Every day, our planet dances through a cosmic shooting gallery filled with rocks that could end civilization. In the space around us, millions of asteroids follow invisible highways through the solar system.
Most are harmless, but some are on a collision course with Earth.
When gravity pulls these space rocks toward our planet, size determines everything, from light show to mass extinction. All asteroids hit at the same devastating speed, 45,000 miles per hour.
Today we compare three impacts: survivable, civilization-threatening, and planet-killing.
A car-sized asteroid, 10 feet across, weighing about 1,300 tons, creates the most spectacular light show on Earth.
Traveling at 45,000 miles per hour, atmospheric friction heats it to 3,000 degrees, Heinz, hotter than molten steel.
Most car-sized asteroids explode in the atmosphere, but let's see what happens if one reaches the ground. Impact creates an explosion equal to 5 to 10 tons of TNT, enough to level several city blocks if it hit downtown.
The crater is modest, the meteorites are valuable, and life goes on. This is what most asteroid impacts look like.
Car-sized asteroids hit Earth about once per year. They make headlines for a week, then become tourist attractions.
Remember this scale: fail. A car-sized rock, a house-sized explosion, a neighborhood-sized danger zone.
But that's nothing compared to a city killer, an asteroid 100 times larger with 1,000,000 times more energy.
A city-killer asteroid, 500 feet across, weighing 100 million tons, approaches with the energy of the largest nuclear weapons ever built. Unlike smaller asteroids, city killers are too large to burn up completely turrets. They punch through the atmosphere like a cosmic bullet. When it hits, it won't just destroy a city, it will erase it from existence. The impact releases energy equal to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, enough to vaporize any city on Earth instantly.
The shockwave flattens buildings 100 miles away. The thermal pulse ignites forests across entire states.
A 5-mile wide crater marks where millions once lived, an entire metropolitan region erased in seconds.
But the destruction doesn't stop at ground zero. Debris blasted into the atmosphere begins a global winter. Civilization survives, but barely. Famines, climate chaos, and economic collapse reshape human history. A city killer reshapes human civilization, but a planet destroyer ends it entirely.
A planet destroyer, 6 miles across, weighing billions of tons, approaches with the energy to crack continents and boil oceans.
This is the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs 65 million years ago.
The impact creates a crater 100 miles wide, triggers global earthquakes, and launches molten rock into space that rains
For its storage. Tsunamis taller than mountains flood every coastline. The atmosphere fills with debris, and Earth enters a decade of...
From a neighborhood threat to a city eraser to a civilization ender, asteroid size determines the fate of our species.
The energy difference isn't just bigger, it's exponential more destructive, jumping from thousands to billion of times more powerful.
The good news? We're watching the skies, tracking threats, and developing planetary defense systems to protect Earth.
What other disasters should we compare? And don't miss our nuclear explosion comparison. Human-made destruction that rivals asteroids.